By souls, you are listening to the creation of the nature. Unless you know about the creation of nature, there is no way to either understand the spiritual knowledge of the subtle knowledge or the holy books. You should think this creation of nature to be the master key. This is the master key that leads to the understanding and path to all the treasure of these divine texts. It is the main key. That is the reason why you all are time and again imparted the knowledge about creation of nature. In creation of nature, you have heard about the knowledge given by God Kabir Dev Ji about the creation of nature done by him, as told by him in the voice of this humble servant. Up till now, all has been told to you verbally, just told it to you. Now what do our holy books tell us on the subject of the creation? By souls, just like the way students go to school, they have a specific course. They are assigned a specific syllabus. The syllabus is distinct, and the teachers who teach the students according to this syllabus are right, while the teachers who wander out of the ambit of this syllabus are doing it all wrong. They are not the well-wishers of the students, rather they ruin their lives. So by souls, all the saints who are imparting the knowledge which is opposite to and against the knowledge from the religious books, and are giving up the methods prescribed in scriptures, and are busy with carrying out and teaching arbitrary conduct following their own ways of worship, neither are they getting any benefit of human life themselves nor their followers. It is mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, in chapter 16, in the verses 23 and 24. Verse 23 talks about those who abandon the methods of scriptures and do arbitrary devotion. Neither can they achieve any happiness, nor is their afterlife any better, and nor they attain any divine power. This means it is futile. In verse 24 it is said in this way, Arjun, for duties and proofs of duties, scriptures are the evidence. Duties means worshipping according to the scriptures, the ones that you should do, while the ill deeds that are not worth doing are told to us by the religious books. Some people talk about religious folk tales. We should never accept them. So all these who keep talking about Brahmaji, Vishnuji, Shivji, they are being talked about by the people of pious Hindu religion, speaking against the Shastras. These acharyas, gurus, sages and great sages, they say that Brahmaji, Vishnuji, Shivji, they are immortals. They have no father or mother, and they are the creators of the universe. They are not good teachers. Abandoning the methods of scriptures, they are preaching folk tales. What are folklores? It is hearsay knowledge with no proof of authenticity.